Welcome guys, today I have for you a Cincinnati Model 20M wired for 440 volts. This machine was rebuilt by GCH Machinery back in 2021. So all the electronics are updated along with a couple other features. With that being said, we'll just get started. We'll get started on our regulating wheel. This does have a transmission on this side over here that we could play with and go to different speeds. Currently, 1B. Currently, it seems like we're at 29 RPMs right now. And then we'll go ahead and start the grinding wheel as well for you guys. We do have the dressers up top, which are hydraulic. You could change their speed outpost with these knobs right here to make them slower or faster. There are corresponding ones on the other side, so you could slow down the return rate as well. And that's going to be the same concept with this dresser over here. You can see them going back and forth. Machine does have an automatic lubricator right here. Goes off every 3 minutes for 3 seconds. And it does come equipped with the CLX in-feed unit. We do have a kicker that is powered by air along with a 6-inch steady rest. So now we're going to go ahead and demonstrate a couple of the speeds on this transmission over here. So if the camera would like to follow me. A little tip of the trade is trying to get the wheel to change your speeds. You are going to have to work a little bit with the regulating wheel. So basically, right now, I am at position 1AC, which is 12 RPMs. So if I were to go into neutral, I could go ahead and turn this off. And as it's turning off, I could go ahead and move my levers as it's going. So it could go ahead and engage itself. So right now I am in position 2AC. And if I pull out the E-stop and turn it on, you'll see we're going slightly faster at 16 RPMs after I put it into gear. So right now we're at 16 RPMs. And then it goes from 22, 29, 39, 52, which I'll go ahead and demonstrate. Put that in neutral. And for 52, I'd like to be in 3BC. So I'll go ahead and turn that off. Bring the lever down to B, C, and A. And now we could go ahead and start that up. After 52 RPMs, we do have 70, 94, 126, which we'll go ahead and demonstrate. So 126 would be 3AB. D. So now we're going higher in speed. After 126, we do have 165, 224, and lastly 300. So go ahead, put that in neutral. And then I'll go ahead and change it over to B and D. So this is going to be 300 RPMs. So that's running at 300 RPMs. We do have This guard currently off, just so you guys can get an idea of how clean and new that the back of this machine is. Give you a sound of the motor. In the photos you will see the pictures of the guard. And that basically wraps it up for this machine. Again, this is going to be the Cincinnati 2OM, rebuilt by GCH Machinery back in 2021, wired for 440 volts. Thank you very much.